I've spent a lot of time lately realizing how much of my life is spent being entertained, being busy, and being immersed in noise. We're constantly being shouted at by screens and experts telling us how to be better, faster, or more at peace. I'm tired of the noise. I think a lot of us are. I stepped away from YouTube for a while because I realized I was becoming part of that noise. I'm not an expert in peace. I'm just a person who desperately needs and wants it. I decided to stop giving advice and start building a sanctuary. This is a space where the world isn't allowed to shout at us. In this corner of the internet, I'm not here to entertain you or provide content. I'm here to sit still with you and hopefully help you find the peace that I'm slowly discovering is available for us. I'm here to sit still with you and guide you through meditations that have helped me find my way to peace. I've shared and I'll continue to share meditations I've created for myself. I don't always live in peace. These videos are the breadcrumbs I've left to help me find my way back to center. They're simple and quiet. I hope you find them as useful as I have. The search for better, faster, and more, and just the right self-help solution can stop for a moment. You're welcome to stay in this sanctuary as long as you need. I'm so glad you're here, and I hope to see you again soon.